Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dolbeck. Today we're gonna talk about the new generation of firework. The firework, I think everyone love it. This is something beautiful. The people can go with their creativity, create some nice shape. This is pretty hard to do, so it's like something that take a lot of knowledge, and it keep going with it keep evolving with the human being, and every time, every year, they always bring something new and try to make it better. But what's the reality about that? It's making a lot of pollution and it's bad for the air, alright? So let's go see what they say about it on the internet. So I just asked on an AI how much pollution firework do. So yeah, they say that like the pollution right there, you can read. Firework can cause air pollution. The smoke from firework can contain I'm not gonna read that. So yeah, as you can see in this text, the pollution can really release a lot of pollution in the air, and it's like 1 or 2% of the air pollution we do in each year. So yeah, you will tell me, Dolbeck, yeah, it's polluting, but we want to have fun. We cannot change. We cannot go forward. Do you really think the people who created firework was thinking this is going to stay forever? Do you really think those people don't want it to evolve? The reality is we can do almost the same thing. For now, the drones are not that much evolved, but imagine in 20 years, if we put a lot of effort into the drone, we can do some nice show like that. I'm gonna show some example, and for the moment, what I think gonna be the best idea will be to mix the drone with the firework to make it complete, and then at the end put the less firework you can and make it almost drone only, just to make less pollution in the air, and everyone will have like breathing problem. It's gonna help them, and yeah, it's like 1 or 2% of the air pollution every year. So many countries do it, so many cities do it. Like there's just way too much firework everywhere, and it causes a lot of pollution. All right. So let's look at what looked like the drone event, alright? So this is a flying dragon in China. It looked very good, but as you can see, it's fast forward, so it probably moved really slow in the sky in the reality, and this is kind of the speed you want to see it. But imagine in like 20 years, they're gonna be able to do that at almost the same speed, and yeah, man, like I'ma show after that another one. And as you can see in this video, you can easily mix up the drone with the firework and make something insane. Like it look even better than firework only, in my opinion. It just make the firework even better because like there's the drone doing light and the firework into it, and then you're gonna see some vision like the drone is moving into the firework and he's catching some nice view of it. Like it just brings something special. Like those visual part that you see are very nice, and I think that type of show gonna attract a lot of people. Maybe even more than firework. It's hard to say, but if you can mix both together and do something really beautiful, and you have a team, like this one is a weird team, it's like America team, but when someone gonna find a proper team and do proper event and gonna be able to place it at a good place, a bit like in China with the dragon, in America with the flag, you see, that shit gonna work really hard. Yeah. So I want you guys to tell me, do you want to see that type of event more than a firework event? Do you think deleting firework event fully is a bad thing? Like, do you think it really has that much importance in our life? if we find something else that we can enjoy and everyone's gonna be happy anyway. So yeah, I'm a bit like neutral in this position. Like for sure the environment for me it's like just logic that we need to protect it. So I'm a bit more drone side, but I think mixing the two together just make it better. Like in my opinion, just the firework, it's just a lot of noise and bah 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 with random shit. But if you include them together, I don't know. It makes something special. It's different. I really respect that. Everyone can see the knowledge behind that. It's easy to like think, okay, they did so much work just to make this happen. Like, yeah. So you can see they can even type stuff like you can do smaller event like that. You can do bigger. This is like 1,000 drone, but imagine you have like some small company that do it with like 300 drone just for a birthday. You go for the child birthday and do like I don't know, man, like the favorite character into the animate your kid watching. Like just makes sense. And yeah, for me, human beings are evolving in this way. They are doing a uh, nice thing, and I support 100%. So yeah, I will finish by reacting to this one. This one is a drone show made in Australia, Sydney. It made a big wave, and I think it's pretty interesting. Like, I did not see it, so I'm gonna see it live with you, and let's see what it is. I'm gonna put the sound off, the sun on. Sorry. Right now it's random a bit. Damn. Like you see the weight move, that was special. Like I was thinking it was needed to move a bit more. Like.
Wheels? Yeah.
What the? Oh, I was thinking it was going to do that. Pop. You see, like that was nice, but it was lacking a bit of animation. I feel like. You see, like if the whale was doing that, and then boom, and then blowing. But with time, they're gonna be able to create some nice transition. It do way less noise. Like just imagine the people who are not there, like they just want to sleep because they're working tomorrow. Like there's no like bang 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 and like I had a dog in the past. Every time there was firework, he was so scared for no reason. Like this is not bad for the animals around. Like, just imagine when you do firework, all the animal around to just like run away or scare, hiding, treat stress. This is so chill. Like, you see, the drone is not moving, the light is passing drone by drone. That is kind of nice when you think about that. That's a nice thing. Like, the work that dude with synchronize that shit is kind of insane. Damn. And you see if they make that shit move over the people, man, that can be nuts. You can include some firework into it too, not too much, but you see, like, the kid is kinda young to be there at this hour though. I don't know what hour it is. Maybe I'm judging too fast. That's nice. It's a bit like some snow. Wait, is it the earth or something? The synchronization is so perfect. It's way too late for this kid. I'm gonna have to put the noise off, dude. Like, come on, dude. Like, it's what, midnight? And you have a kid there crying? God, eh. Alright, so that was it for this video. Let me think what you think about that. Should we delete firework? And have a good day. Peace out.